It might surprise you, but a healthy gut can be the key to a healthy life. Digestive health contributes to overall well-being, as a healthy gastrointestinal tract can break down food and absorb critical nutrients more efficiently. A healthy gut can better support your entire body. A person's digestive state impacts overall health and quality of life. Unfortunately, an upset stomach can bring everyday activities to a screeching halt. We all know the feeling of worry that accompanies digestive discomfort, especially on a day when your family needs you, you have a big presentation, or when you simply plan for fun. By better supporting your digestive system, you can let go of the concerns that come with digestive issues and enjoy a healthier, liberated lifestyle. We understand how frustrating it can be to deal with frequent digestive issues, worrying about how they'll impact your schedule, time with loved ones, and important daily tasks. That's why doTERRA created the Digestive Wellness Program. This program features products selected by a team of experts to provide you with natural options for digestive support. With the Digestive Wellness Program, you'll receive a variety of effective, natural products each month for 3 months to help you support better digestive health. And you can keep going if you like the change you see in your digestive health. If you're not sure whether the Digestive Wellness Program can help you, try it. You can always cancel the program at any time. The Digestive Wellness Program is everything you need to calm unwanted digestive disruptions and discomforts naturally, while also promoting overall healthy digestion. The best part is you don't have to do the work of picking your products each month. We'll take care of that for you. You simply sign up once, and each month you'll receive targeted, effective digestive support that's natural and safe for the whole family.